Hello. Hello, Priya. Are you there?
He's late because network connection.
Okay, no problem. Then Arpita, you will start. I will give it. Okay.
Okay,
Start.
okay, no issues.
Start you to give it. Yeah, give it. Arpita. Proceed.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, your first user. So there are three sections. Okay, users, admin, and dealer. First, I'm so the user section. Both actually many things are updated.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, my internet.
Okay, 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 Arpita. Priya, you are audible.
Okay,
Hello,
then
Priya.
Can I
Should you?
proceed?
Yeah. You can proceed. I'm giving you the control. Don't worry. Is ready for that? Okay, Priya. Hello, Priya. Hello, Priya. हेलो
संदीप उसका नेट प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, छोड़ो।
अर्पिता छोड़ो।
हाँ
क्या
सर Sandeep, give me the control.
Given.
Okay. Sir, in user section, as per last discussion, we have add the customer type. Okay. So first the register customer. Sandeep.
कौन है ना? किसका सीधा है? यार जोड़ियों तो कहीं।
Arpita, give the input.
अरे काम नहीं कर रहा है।
Hello, Sandeep. Sandeep, hello.
Hello, Arpita. This is
Yes,
Somak.
sir.
क्या हो
Yes,
रहा है?
sir.
What is the problem?
Sir, I think network problem.
आपका नेटवर्क तो सही है. Why don't you input? Take the control.
सर कंट्रोल मेरा काम नहीं, बिकॉज संदीप का लैपटॉप से रन हो रहा था, तो सी एक्चुअली ही गिवन द कंट्रोल, so that's why he left already.
No, Arpita, actually my internet issue, why is it going on?
आप चेंज कर दीजिए. Arpita, you plug in from your laptop.
No sir, it's okay. Just someone call me, just my internet was interrupted.
Continue,
Okay.
please continue. अच्छा है ना
Yes,
Arpita,
sir.
তুমি actually মানে last 1 week যে ডেভেলপমেন্ট আমরা করেছি সেটা ওনাদেরকে মেইনলি দেখিয়ে দাও আগে. ওকে.
अच्छा, ओके सर. So last one, then we'll go to the admin section. Sandeep.
Hello,
You do one
Arpita.
thing, Arpita.
Yes, sir.
You do one thing, give the whole control to Sandeep. Sandeep Hasan, you take the control and you present this right now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, hello. I am audible, sir. Okay. Now we have the last meeting. We have did that some portion we have discussed with the client that made by the some feature we have added, and the thing is that now I'm going to view from the user login section. The user login section is there. Now in this section, as you see, the user can buy the product. So first we have to just sign up or log in. Just we have seen. So sign up and log in. We can proceed from any time. So I'm going to sign up from here first. That's Sandeep Paswan. Username is admin. Mail. 3 normal, and the customer type, as we discussed, that we have to maintain the customer side that we have added, and so password is working, that is so password. If you want to show, then show. That is the normal. We have filled the details for customer registration. The field was earlier maintained, but now we have added as the last requirement that we have to add the customer type that we have added. That is the new thing here, and so password just we have added also that we can show the password. So we can now submit. So there is a Sunny is our username and password is there. Now from there we can proceed. Okay. Sunny. 1, 2, 3. That is, we are going to sign in. Yes. What is going on? I think, sir, some issue is going on. Okay, sir, I will see the first. We are going to see that the page has some issue. I think we are going to show that the new password we have added the forward password option. That we are behind the putting that we can get the mail from there. So Arpita is our client. Arpita is already registered, so we can add Arpita email account and we can get the password in his mail. That forgot password option we have added. The new password and the confirmed password is there. So Arpita,
Yes.
Yeah, put your email ID. I think so. Yes. Arpita Gosal.pcs global, that is already
Yes,
registered
yes,
with
yes.
our, and proceed with that.
Control nahi, control.
Yeah, control is given in your PC.
मेरे पास
Yeah. So forgot password option is there that we can forgot password. If the client has a user has forgot his password, then by the email verification we can confirm his password. That we have added in our the section. Actually, that section was not. Okay, Arpita, submit.
Yes.
Submit was not clicked. Okay, the password reset has been reset, and please check your email. The one link has been one password has been shared to the arpita.pcs global. That forgot password option we have done, and we can reset the password from that account. That
Yes,
is normal
Sandeep, I
thing.
got the mail.
Yeah, you got the mail, na? You can show that also. In the
Can
letter
we
you
share
can
the
show it.
screenshot of the message?
Read. Yeah, you can share.
Arpita?
I'm giving you the. Yes, hello.
Yes.
Peter,
You
you
can
can share
share.
in WhatsApp.
First, I am to start that from that section, from buy section. The buy section was that later the discussion was that we have to add the COVID product, design product, and the engineering product. The engineering product and the COVID product and design product both are the 3 added. Now I'm going to buy from the normal account. That is the reason product is there. The price is there. So we can now buy option is there. Now view product we can go. Now the last discussion was that we have to add the share option. We need to add the share to the product. So we have added that one, that share with the field, that WhatsApp, YouTube, WhatsApp, email, even the everything Facebook. So I'm going to share that in our mail account first. So in the share account, in this thing, we are going to share the recent page, the updated page, that is the recent product, that the recent email that you will share. Now I'm going to just share with my account that is sign in. It is not sign in. Okay, submit. Next. Yes. Yes, now we can share in this thing. We can see that this link will share to anyone that I'm going to share with Sandeep Paswan 404. That is going to share, send the mail. So whenever the link is shared, he is going to share by that any person. We can share the multiple person from there in the mail account. So share option is there, and we can share. And whenever the client is going to, because this is the right now in the local server we are running. Whenever this link will say click by the any client, any user, that this page will ultimately come. So that share option we have done, as we have now message is sent. Now share option mail account we have shown. Now we are going to show from the WhatsApp account. WhatsApp we can also share. If you have normal, no need to go to WhatsApp, just log in from that side. Continue, that chat is coming. Continue with that chat. Okay, use the WhatsApp web. Okay. Okay, now we can share our to many one. As many we can share the product as you want to share 10 number of times. As we know that the WhatsApp is a 5 limit, so we can right now as per rule we can share the 5 maximum. So in the RR as well, Arpita, Somak sir, in our scientific I also share. So the share option is also done from WhatsApp. Now it is share. The link has been shared with the following account, 5 account. That thing also we have. And one thing. Okay, I think Astro Scientific Group we have just shared that link. Okay, that link we can now we can just share with anyone, and we can share our product details. Where is to see? Okay, just so. Okay, wait, I'm just stop here by default. Browser account. Servers. Yes. So just a bit. Sorry, I was sorry. As I'm running on the local server. Got okay. Okay, now we are on the share section. Just I'm proceeding from that portion. Hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes.
If
Hello?
your screen is not
Okay.
visible.
Thank you. Now we have share with the email account. Just now we have shared with the WhatsApp account. Now we can share with the Facebook.
If your screen is not visible,
Okay. Sorry. We have just shared with the email account and the WhatsApp account. Now we can share with the Telegram added. Telegram too we can share. Share with the Telegram account also. So many digital platform has been given here. We can share from anyone. Twitter also given. So a lot of things we have added as per requirement. Right now we have added this 3, 3, 6, and 7 a digital media platform to share our the product, to digitalize our product, to share to multiple options. Now I'm going to the buy now. That share portion we have done right now. Now we are just to click on the buy now section. And we are going to just we have not log in as earlier, so we have to log in first. I'm just going to log in. I'm giving control. Okay, Arpita, proceed from there. So login section is just Arpita is just as a customer we have logged in our database, so we no need to not log in with Priya, log in with your account, Arpita, and that. That is two. So as we have not logged in, so from that we are going to log in. And the login section is just very easy, that register username and register password. We can log in. And forgot password, just we have seen that the mail, via the verification of mail, we can change our password if you have forgot. Now that register section, that order register, that address field is already just we have earlier we have told that the address field, that is the shipping address, that already in the Arpita database. So it is directly coming from the database. And the Ashok sir was the last thing, the demand was that we have to put the GST number. So where is the GST number? Just we have put the GST number also here. We can now proceed from there. The user can also, it is optional if user can put or not put. If it will not put, then it is not going to his order confirmation page. If it will put, then he is going to be the order confirmation page. So right now we are going to put with the GST number. We have just put one basic GST number, and whatever the quantity is there. As we have shown that this is the engineering product, so we have the 12%, the 18%, the GST was there. So 2400, 80% is that one, 280, 132. So that is a normal thing we have added in the earlier. And one thing also, the order confirmation will send to the mail. Whenever the order placed by the user, one confirmation mail is directly go to the user. That we have done earlier. So we need the basic information of the, because right now we have added the one mail. We will share with that in our WhatsApp group, that we have generated one mail. That mail account will be the official, and it is registered in our coding section. That from that mail it is going from the different mail. So we have made that that mail. We have to just share this. I will share that mail. It is already added. Yeah, you can share with that. Now we are going to
particular user is mentioned in the bottom section.
Yeah, particular user. For particular user, that mail is going on. And one thing, the new thing, order ID. See the order ID, we have generated the unique ID. This is a unique order ID for the every product. If you will register the new product, that Aster is fixed as the Aster scientific name of the project. The Aster is a brand. So we in the order section we have fixed the Aster, and this 10 digit is the variable, that is random. It is random for the every product. So it is not going to what we can say, that it is not going to repeat by any product. It is a unique by the every product. Every order it is going to be unique, and Aster is fixed as Aster is our demand, and the product name is CT scan. That the new thing we have added the order ID. Order is different, and the product name, customer name, that all are the same, and GST number that we have added because the GST was just we have added in the, so cash on delivery. Right now we have added the cash on delivery. Right now we have just pull out the payment gateway, online payment, just cash on delivery. We can just click there the alert message. We can, if by default you can cancel also. If it is okay, then this is going to be the order. The final order is confirmed, and your order is placed. Order is as per that order ID. Order date is that one. And here we have by default. I don't discuss with that. From my side, I have added the order
Sandeep,
delivery date by
Sandeep.
default from the order date. So delivery date is there.
Sandeep,
Order
Sandeep.
Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, while placing this GST number, are we validating in any way whether that GST number is correct or not?
No, sir. That feature is not. We have
Okay, so
GST
that
number.
has to be done in offline before we invoice that thing. That has to be done at our end to validate the GST. Then only we can raise the bill. Because if GST there is a any typographical error or something, then that may create a issue. So if that cannot be done online, then if for GST, automated bill should not be happen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting? That has to be confirmed
Yes, sir.
by
Yes, sir.
our admin person has to, for any GST bill, admin has to approve for that.
Okay, okay. Admin approval is needed for the GST. If not
For
GST,
GST
then
bill.
we can. For GST, yes. For GST bill, we have to approve from the admin section. If non GST,
Because
then
that
we.
GST number has to be validated, then only it should be billed.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Then admin have to first approve that GST number. Okay, sir. That I will do. I will add to that section. Okay. This is the final order we have placed. From the user can log in via selecting and via whatever the thing you have GST number, product ID, adding the address. The final order is placed, and this page can be print and we can download also whatever thing we have. We can download also and download PDF also. In the PDF it will download, so we can show in PDF also. So is a order is now placed. Now this order it is going to be the view by the everyone, user, admin, and everyone. I'm just going to show that one. Before that, I'm going to for the main section, that is the
One
dealer
thing is
section.
left, Sandeep.
Yes, yes, please.
One thing is
Yeah,
left.
Priya.
That means we have added
Yeah.
12 bills from the delivery section.
Yes. Hello, you are not. Hello, Priya. Yes, you can loudly, please
We
speak. Hello.
added 12 bills from the delivery.
Yeah,
section.
I've told that you have to confirm
side.
that our side have fixed by default in the hardcore, but we have to flexible it according to that one. Now in the dealer section, we have earlier discussed with the dealer section. The dealer we have made it the account, and dealer section must be approved by the admin as we have discussed. So now I'm going to give the demo on the dealer section. The dealer section. First, the dealer need to sign up. I'm going to show you the demo, how the dealer section is working. Now the sign up section is there. Just click on the sign up. Okay. Okay, this is the dealer registration page. This is a normal dealer registration page, and there is a. I'm going to Arpita. I'm going to control. You can put. I will just show. The dealer name is just we can put in our the text field. Right now the dealer name we can put anything character wise. Any character. This the length not fixed. We can put any number of length that may be any length. The dealer name like put name. And there is a username was there. Username is going to be for the sign-in section. Email is there. Email is right now we are using for the forgot password. The dealer registration page, in every registration page, in the user registration page, we have added the email section, that is the forgot password option. In the dealer registration page, we are going to email that is also used for the forgot password option. And that user registration page, that email is also used for the user order confirmation. we have just seen the one order this mail will send. I will just show one mail how the mail is going on. Okay, address field is not fixed. We can put a large number of address. There's a 300 more characters there. We can put any number. There no limit is there. Password is we can put as a choice. Annual sales value is there. Put a good annual sales value. Not one. Hello. Wait. Put a username. So there is mainly the 2, 3. The dealer registration page is very simple. We are getting only the dealer license number and the GST value. And that section is it is totally depend upon the admin. If admin will approve, then the dealer can proceed. I will show that one. Okay. Address field is I earlier mentioned that is the length is unlimited. We can put any address. The dealer license number, confirm GST number. GST number. Okay, wait. That the email nitesh@gmail.com and the password is. Arpita, you have remember whatever you put.
Yes.
Remember that one. Okay, that will use in the login section. Okay. Proceed with the submits. Okay, whatever the dealer is right now registered, it cannot proceed directly in our site because we have to, the dealer need to take the permission from the admin section. If admin will grant, then it can proceed with that our person. Now log in with that. It cannot proceed because right now he is the dealer registered Nitesh Sahu. The Nitesh Sahu is not going to proceed right now because it is not admitted by the admin. I will show that one. Arpita, put Nitesh Sahu.
Yes, I put, but wait a minute.
Okay. That email that dealer right now registered, that email we are going to put and that password. It is very easy. Normal email and password we can log in. That Nitesh Sahu, I think Nitesh.
Nitesh.
Nitesh, okay, no worry. That Nitesh that right now already recently registered, that is going to sign in. Okay, so password is working. Okay, very good. So password working. Okay, submit. Okay. The thing is that there is one message that your account is not activated. Please wait for 3 days. That fix some messages from our side because we need to more message we can put. So the dealer account is not activated. So right now in the admin section, we have to just approve the dealer account first. Go to the admin. Okay, log in with the admin Sandeep password 1 2 3 4. So the dealer that registered, it is going to approve by admin first. Nitesh Sahu. That message was there every time it will come. Okay, in this section we can see the dealer registration details. That section is very important. We can click dealer registration details is totally confirmed. So Nitesh Sahu right now registered with the new dealer. The new dealer is Nitesh Sahu and his mobile number, sales value is there 23, whatever the fixed demo, the dumb value, and whatever the license number, GST value is coming, his email ID is coming. Now we have the admin has the power to grant. So we can now active that active. Now we are going to approve that dealer. Okay, the dealer is now approved. His account is activated. The dealer Nitesh Sahu right now we can proceed with our site. We can inactive also. If we can think that the dealer is not going to be deal on our site, we can inactive also. If we will inactive, it is not going to proceed with our site. That thing we have done. So right now we are going to active that dealer. Okay, the dealer account right now activated. Now he can proceed with our Astra Scientific. Oh, sorry for that. Astra Scientific site. Okay, now right now log in with dealer. Now Nitish Sahu dealer account is now verified by the admin. Admin panel now verified the Nitish Sahu account. That license number, the GST number totally approved by the admin. Now the submit. Okay, submit it. Okay, now the dealer and Nitish Sahu can proceed with our site. Welcome to Astra Scientific. We have code normal. Now in the dealer section, we can now the two main topics that the dealer can sell and dealer can buy. So if he will sell, then he can proceed with register of the product and he can upload whatever the thing, image. And if you want to buy, then he can directly go to our site. He can buy from there. So this thing we have added in the dealer section. So that is, now I'm going to show something that inactive portion that is also needed. I'm going to inactive that dealer right now. Okay, that dealer is now inactivated. Now log in that Nitish Sahu, it cannot proceed with that. Alpita, do it.
Yes.
Oh, Power, yeah, what is going on? It is going to proceed. How? I think some session issues there. I have to close. Thing is there. Wait, it is some session issues there, I think. Maybe. It is, okay, I'm give you the demo, that one. That forgot password is also there. That Nitish Sahu can enter his email, new password, confirm password. That will going to show that whatever the thing is there in the email. That thing is from the dealer. Okay. Now one thing, in the admin section, we have made the two portions. Log in with the admin. I'll show that. Alpita, log in. Okay, there is some portion, some new thing we have added: the height product view, engineering product view, median product view, order product list. Order product list is whatever the order is done by the dealer. So we can see the right now that order is done by dealer. That order we have put it. So all over the order we can see here. So this is the all order details is there. Now there's a sold product view and the new order deliver product view. Now we have some issue regarding the supply chain management that we have to discuss right now in this meeting, how the supply will go on. So in this section, we have just fixed that so some sold product view. If there is some product is sold, then admin can also say what are the things he has sold. So that list will also come. And if the new product, whatever the new product is ordered right now, that all product will come up here. So new product view is there. We can give the new product view and customer list earlier we can see. And new admin is there. And COVID product view, we have COVID view is there. COVID registration. Right now we have not registered COVID product. This is a COVID registration details. Regate is there. Okay, I'm going to show you that how the dealer is just working. That is the thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, please. Order product list में one thing that negotiation of the price that we have discussed, that we have done, we can edit negotiation price, whatever the price we can negotiate from that one. The whatever the price is 944, we can negotiate 10% discount. We can get 20% discount. Whatever the that negotiation of the price we have done, and that price is going to be the update also. That negotiation of price everywhere we can edit product negotiation price is there. That 10% of the so negotiation of the price for the every order we have done it. And one thing, a new thing we are going to show. If there is our vendor, if our the different vendor, then we need the list of the value. Whatever the order, the product, new order product view, we can share that list. Then the vendor will know. If our delivery boy, then we can share that page. That the CT scan machine Kumari. Now he will directly click. I will share this page on his delivery boy, and he click and that will directly go to his account. He can directly call from there. There is a direct option. If you will share with the mail, he can click and directly you can call Priya Kumari and reach that product. We will add also that one. Okay, the okay, the dealer product view. The dealer product view is made here. Whatever the dealer will registration, it will also show by the admin section also. Admin can also show whatever the dealer is adding his product. So one section is also made dealer product view. That dealer product view, whatever the dealer will insert in the product, admin can see and monitor whatever the product the dealer is going to add in everywhere. And I'm going to show one thing. And also the from there, I think delivery. That is we have shown. There is also we can share our one thing, the product. If we have the delivery boy, then we can share that portion with our portion that he can share with our product with anyone. That's thing we have done. Now we have to discuss with right now with what is the supply chain. Supply chain we will do. Right now we have done the many the engineering reagent and the COVID related thing we can add in our the section. Height section is for only the height product we can insert. And the COVID is there, and the new we have told every section. I think new dealer product we will say. We have just done with the admin section. Admin section right now completed. I think dealer section we have just view the what is a dealer is login, sign up, forward password is there also, email verification in everywhere. And okay, that the right now the sir is created on the Facebook site. We can add that page in the Facebook. We will add soon Facebook, Twitter, and the YouTube channel of Astra Scientific. It is going whatever the thing the source provided in the that we have added that WhatsApp number also. Now I think and I'm going to give you the control to Arpita. Arpita, you please share and show the how the order section of the product. Okay, share your screen.
Okay,
Hello,
okay.
Arpita.
Okay,
Share
okay.
your how the order portion is working. Okay, wait. I'm going to
Stop share.
This is visible, no?
yeah, visible.
Visible.
Now in this section, the right now the one thing is more added in the Arpita laptop, the Arpita our team, and we are going to show the how the order, whatever the order thing that first login user login. Whenever the user will log in, so what is the thing he can see? As many site that site also he can see, he or she can see. Okay, I'll log in with the.
एक minute.
Okay. Check. No worry.
Okay, sorry.
So right now Arpita logged in, the user Arpita logged in, and is my account section. He is going go to my account. Whatever the section,
Not
my profile, order and log out. Three portion is there. So my profile, click on the my profile first. So my profile is normally just we have earlier shown that Arpita will show whatever the details is profile, Arpita Gosal mobile number and Arpita pieces loan. He can verify whatever the details is quoted right or wrong. He can verify from his account. Back in the profile section, back from there. Oh, okay. Now go to order section. So in this section, whatever the thing Arpita order, he will see. He can see. She can see the whatever the order. Now Arpita has ordered many, lot of thing he had ordered X-ray machine, lot many times, and the product price. So he can now proceed with whatever the thing the user man can do whatever thing. The user can proceed to check the whatever the status of the deliver. We will discuss. We are going to do that delivered or not delivered. Or the user can cancel his item also. If you will cancel, then the order is going to cancel by the every person. It is going to cancel by the user section also. It is going to cancel by the admin section also. So if you will cancel, now click on the deliver status. Then go to delivery status. Right now there is one of the cancel item is there. Now we can proceed with the cancel item. We are working on that. Okay, go to back. Here. Cancel item is there in the dealer section. So from that portion we have done whatever the order is done by the user. Every time he can see, she can see whatever the thing is scanned on. Arpita,
yes.
you can put one order from your laptop.
Okay.
Put one. It is working now. They can see them. Okay, but it's not working now from the laptop. I think why now? Okay, I think image is not there. No way. Oh, put the GST number. What you are buying? Esther 24, na ID. Okay.
S to
So
24.
order confirmation. Okay. Checkout. Cash on delivery. Order ID is 3355.
355.
355. Sorry. So 355 order ID just order by the. Hello Arpita. Are you?
Yes, yes.
Your screen is not visible.
Look, I think sorry.
Okay.
It is visible.
No, it is going to be visible. Okay.
Visible.
See, go to your order section. See, it is
Order.
coming on.
Mm-hmm.
Not from there, not back from there. Go from directly from URL. Not back. Sign in. Order section. Oh no. Okay, 355 order is now coming. Arpita Gosal right now buy
S to 355.
Arpita Gosal X-ray machine 770. Okay, this order is also visible by the admin section also. So Arpita, go admin.
Okay.
Go admin. admin can see also whatever the thing ordered by the user, every detail, every product list and price, everything is going to store in the admin also. Go to the order product list. Order product list. Go. In the
This,
bottom section, the Astra 335 is coming in the admin portion also. So admin can also thing we can do. The admin can also edit the status, edit product, edit product. Now we are going to give the some price negotiation for that user. So we can now edit this whatever the thing. Give the 10% discount. That we have also get total and updated. Very simple. Okay, it is coming here. Okay, no
no,
worry.
no, no, no,
It is
no, 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 no.
what? Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Working. Na? Okay.
Yes, it is working.
Okay.
Sorry.
No.
Go to order product list. Order product list.
Yes, I know.
Order product
This.
list. Yes. That price is updated. Okay. No worry, it is updated by everyone. Okay, go to the Astra Scientific. Okay, this thing we have added. Now we are going to digitalize our thing, medical equipment. Arpita, your COVID details, everything is coming now.
Yes,
Okay,
everything.
you can register one COVID. Okay, now you can register one COVID also if you aren't registered. That is from our side that we have done the complete order section and admin whatever the thing is can view whatever the user can list. Admin price negotiation is done and dealer account verification also done. Dealer can buy and sell. This thing we have done and the full complete order preparation. Now we are the main thing is left, that is the okay, this is the medical equipment now. This is the COVID product. Okay, this is all the COVID product will view. We are now we have to just integrate in the design. The design is left. Everything is working.
Regen product also.
Regen product is also that regen product is also view. We have now just added the dumb value. It will come when
Height
it will,
product also view.
Okay. View product, go to view product. It is working. View product, go to view product. Admin can whatever the thing. Go to engineering product view. Go to engineering product view first. Okay. Go to view product. Go view product. Image is not there in your machine. Okay, this thing we have already discussed that admin can edit the price, that price, we can edit the price, product name, anything we can add, product description we can add. Okay, Arpita, add some product description. It is going to be visible and add also price also. Update it. Put
Price.
one.
Price.
Price is editable only thing.
Price is not edited.
Okay, it is fixed now. We will read only. Okay. No worry. We will update it. We can update the price also. That we already saw.
Yes.
That admin can go there back. You have wrong page. Go back that. Go to Astra Scientific.
Yes.
It is coming wrong page. Directly go from URL. Go admin login and see whatever the things. So admin can also whatever the thing product he will list, he can edit his description, price also. Right now we have just only portion is there. We can also editable the price also we can edit. So this thing we have.
Better one. Good one.
Okay. Go back. Go Astra Scientific.
Okay.
Go back. This thing we have added the admin section, whatever the portion we have discussed, that we have done. Only thing is left, that is the supply chain management we are working on, and the user section we can see the user can buy order section. We till now order cash on delivery is confirmed. Whatever the order is done by the user, it is going to be by the admin also, and user can also be in the order section. So these things dealer section is also dealer section account verification is done by the admin first, then admin can if the admin approve, then dealer can proceed with the sale. Right. though this thing we have added, and oh man, put it down. Anything more not left, I think. Okay,
Everything
that
is
is,
complete.
yeah, everything I think
Completed.
complete.
Completed.
Okay, okay, sir. That is all the things from our side. Is so much.
Sandeep, that COVID-19 essential, that option, if we click, it will open that one.
No,
No, sir, this time is actually
no,
not
sir.
working.
COVID-19. So now what is working? What is happening? Actually, sir,
Hey, that
That
back
that
in
in
the
individual there it will not open right now. No, no. That COVID
uh,
essential is there.
Arpita, oh, do whatever the sir is telling. Do it is working or not?
No, it is not working,
no,
Sandeep.
not working. Just design.
COVID-19 fitness, personal care, it is not working.
That is,
This
it is not working
menu.
now.
Okay.
What is not working? Admin can insert the COVID product that we have done. And
From
Okay,
that from where
Arpita,
it will show only from
Yes,
top
sir.
menu.
Arpita, this is homework, sir. Is that page is static or dynamic? COVID-19 is static or dynamic now?
The
it
static,
is
static.
Now this is static, sir.
That you have to say to the client. It is basic static. We have to make it dynamic. You take
Yes.
some time, 2-3 days time, and make it dynamic,
Okay, sir. Okay.
so that any
Okay, sir.
user, because we have to launch it on 14th, within 14th. We already made the social media platform, social media group. From tomorrow they are going to promote it. So at the basic level, these features should be activated. Now to keep people keep focus to active all the buttons. To active all the buttons. Note down.
okay.
Do not
Okay, sir.
go in
Okay,
deep
sir.
so
Okay,
much.
okay.
First, you activate every button, okay, so that the
Okay, sir.
customer or the visitor will click one button. That button should go to the next page. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
okay.
You
Over to
can
you.
you
Arpita.
can mention that that page is under construction, like that you can mention, but at least that page should be enabled actually.
Yes, yes, sir. We will.
Okay, sir. Okay, so we will do
Okay,
it.
sir. Okay.
But a space is made, but we have to link just. Okay, sir. We will do in the next. We will do it. The base is meant. Code is done. Okay, that is done from our side, sir. That we have done user, dealer, and the admin portion. 3 portion we have done. Done a little bit thing we are working. Just thing cancel item is there, and email verification is done. Everything is done. Just one only cancel item, and the some if error is coming, we will sort out just anything. So these 3 portion we have completed. Now anything we can add, if you will suggest, then we can add. It's just you have suggested
One thing you can add. I think you will do it. That dispatch history. Their customer can track up to where it is after deliver from our warehouse or our office or company. What is the status of the order status? There they can check, customer or user can review the
Yes.
delivery history or dispatch
Yes,
history.
yes, sir. Delivery
Yes,
status
sir.
we are working. Delivery status
Okay,
deliver by
sir. We are
cancel.
working on this
We are
section.
working on
Okay,
it. Delivery
okay.
status we are working,
Yes, sir.
and we have noted your point also that if the user will put the GST value first, you have to confirm from the order admin section.
Okay.
If admin will proceed, then it can will generate. Okay, that 2 portion we are working.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine.
Okay, sir.
That's fine.
Okay, sir. And the marketing and the thing is that, sir, we are going to the discussion point is that how we are going to provide our product to the buyer, the user customer. It is our vendor or whatever the thing. It is
Pardon.
sir, the product dispatching, supply chain management. From user and to from admin panel, the admin going to how the admin going to dispatch the product to the user.
Actually, admin will provide instruction through mail actually
Okay.
for final deliver for final dispatch. After getting request from user, that
Okay.
one dedicated email ID will be there. From there, that request will come, and then you can initiate with the email ID. So that email confirmation will decide to dispatch actually.
Mainly, it
Okay,
means
sir.
mainly that will be offline mode.
Oh,
That dispatch will happen by
Dispatch of item
offline
will be
only.
offline mode. So
Okay,
the admin will give them a mail that this is the dispatch detail, POD, those things will
Or
be
or 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 Lalit, the
given.
one thing can be do whenever user is booked one product and proceed for order, so immediately one mail intimation should come to at least two different email. If one email
That can be done.
missed, so another can accept. So
Means
like that, admin email ID will be
all the
created.
admin holders will get mails that this things is pending or this things has to be done. So multiple mail ID can be incorporated.
okay, sir. Okay. So total dispatching thing will be under the offline mode.
See one thing, Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
Every time admin, it is not possible to every time admin is looking whatever order is coming or not. So that is possible that admin login can check in frequent and certain interval. That is okay. But if any email intimation comes, so immediately we can get the email. Oh, this order comes
Even
from this address. Once one
even
payment done, so
this
we'll proceed.
information can come through email as well as with the WhatsApp also. If a person is not accessible to email or some any reason, a group WhatsApp message can be also given.
Like in Aster group, one
Yeah,
message
yeah,
will come, ki order received. So
yeah.
then one person will check the order and manually proceed for dispatch.
Achha, achha. Oh,
So
no, just
after dispatch, starting dispatch procedure, so from there they can update in delivery section. That is stage one. It is shipment packed and delivered. Stage two is under the in travel, and then after deliver, party will accept. Then after acknowledge, then that particular deal will close. The delivery chain will close.
okay, sir. Whenever the dispatcher dispatch thing that you are telling us that it is going to totally offline. So we are going to
Offline,
As of
but
now,
suppose
as
we
of
have
now.
delivered via Blue Dart, one POD is there. So that POD will be highlighted will updated by that person, and user can see that that is the POD number and delivered by this courier. So their contact number is there and also POD number is there. In case party is not getting the material, they can directly contact with that number. Like in track on courier, every step they proceed some docket number along with some contact number.
yes, sir. Okay. That is a
So,
dispatch.
or else we can do one more thing. Once it has been dispatched, the dispatched POD number can be put on the user's information site. That against this order number, this is the POD number and the detail of the dispatch. That can be put in manually by the admin.
Okay, so the admin will put manually. Okay.
Because it is not an automated system, so one has to courier it, and the courier information has to be fed into the system.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. So whatever
One
the
thing we'll do, I will send you one supply chain and as well as delivery chain. That Excel sheet I will send you, that flow chart, how the material will come into stock warehouse and how it will deliver. That in and out procedure flow chart I will provide you, and that as per the flow chart you design your visual section, how
yeah. Okay, sir.
user can
okay,
monitor.
sir. Okay.
And okay, so I'll
Okay, sir.
provide you some flow chart how we are making getting the product from particular party, and how where we are keeping the stock, and how we are executing the invoice and dispatch. Invoice to will generate in software automatically, and that invoice material how it will deliver to client. That flow diagram I will send you, and you see how it will implement in your site. Okay.
Okay, so that will help. Also, I will implement it. Okay, sir, send it. That is a main portion supply chain. We have already done the whatever the thing we can share with our the customer that your sales said that if the order will come, then automated mail will come that order is put, and we can proceed with the supply. That thing we have done order confirmation. Now we have to just implement it. If you'll give us the work diagram, that will help also. We can implement it, sir. Okay, sir. That is done. Okay. One thing from that, sir, you have shared the one mail account in our group, I think.
Yes, sir.
So
Right now that firm is operated with that official email ID. We have not purchased it. It is free Gmail ID, normal Gmail ID that we are using last I think 3-4 years. Not it is 5 years around, and we are accessing that email ID. 2-3 person we are sharing same email ID. We are accessing. That is our right now admin email ID. You can say.
okay, sir. So from that email ID, it is going to mail by the every user. We have created one email ID. I will
Yeah,
say.
yeah. Yes, yes. In right now manually whatever deal we are doing, so all the order and purchase order and delivery, everything, all details, POD, invoice, everything we are dealing with this particular email ID right now. So we don't. Earlier we received some email ID info admin, that type of email ID, but that email server and email ID is not so much user friendly. So we are not
use the same
able
our
to
Gmail ID for
use
this
that email
purpose.
ID. And
Also, we can use our Gmail ID for this.
hello.
Also,
Yes, sir. Yes, audible, sir.
we can use our this same Gmail ID for this purpose also. I think.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will implement. Actually, sir, for that implementation, we need just password, hardcore password. We have to put in our coding system. That I am saying. Okay, sir. In the final project, if we launch, we will put that hardcore password also.
Or else, if you feel that some other email ID should be incorporated, then you can make like.
Yeah. Other email ID already we have done, sir. We will share it
We
on
have
pro.
created
Not an issue.
already.
Yeah. Okay, sir. That is thing. And someone sir is
Then
there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What?
that web-based email ID you can create and you can send us. We will access it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We will share it. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. We will share.
Okay. Okay. Is it okay up to this?
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thanks all of you for showing this
Yeah,
activity.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome,
Thank
sir.
you.
Foster the this is Somak, all of the Lalitji and আমি সোমক বলছিলাম
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা বলছিলাম যে the point is like we made the Facebook page and we are going to make one Facebook group also. Actually we want to promote this portal, and we do have a plan that on the 14th itself we will launch it in the market. Actually we will open for the market.
So for that I will provide you one information sheet. There you will get all the details, basic product type and what type of service is available.
Exactly.
So that page I will create, and in Excel I will provide you.
Okay.
And that will convert it into a promotional page, and then you can circulate. So I will point out there what type of product we are dealing, what type of support and service we are providing. So that basic page I will prepare. I will discuss in team and prepare, and then I will provide you within a day or 2 days. And after getting that, you design in your own way, and you can start marketing and.
Okay. And the second thing is like we have deputed one designer. He is one of the senior designers. So he is working on this, and he will be completing the whole website design. We will give you one new perfect design like e-commerce, because this design is made by our developers. These developers are back-end developers. So this design will be more lucrative as like other e-commerce portals also. So I hope so he will be making it ready by 13th itself, and we'll integrate that design. So on 14th night exactly it will be on air with the new design, and maximum part will be activated so that any person can go and book on product. at least that process will start.
Okay. Okay, that's
Okay,
fine.
so that was
So
from my side.
in my end, I will prepare all the data so that at least if you provide in 1 day prior, I will insert all the available data, product data.
Okay, no issues, no issues. I
And another one thing that Lalitha will share you from his screen that that project
Second
2,
project.
second project that for 5 minutes if you
Yes, I will see.
check, then that you will understand. Okay.
Definitely, I can see.
So Lalitha, you share that software
And
basic
one more
software.
request, like I think you people are on Facebook. So would you like to join
Hey,
in this?
one thing. So right now, myself and Lalitha is a you can say
I
we are
can
the
understand. বুঝতে পেরেছি।
consultant
বুঝতে
consultant
পেরেছি
like that.
সেটা।
So
তাহলে আমি মানে অ্যাড করছি না আপাতত।
no.
ওকে, ওকে, ঠিক
In
আছে,
my
ঠিক
page,
আছে।
PCS Global is there. That
Okay,
is
okay.
that is I get that from
Notification.
off campus
Kolkata
that
off campus.
promotional data I get. Yes.
Okay,
So
okay, okay. No issues.
that I usually got it, but
Okay.
that is PCS Global is okay, but Astra Scientific
I can understand.
will
I can
not be
understand. No
directly
issues, no
connected.
issues.
Navakumar can share, and his page he can
Okay. Then Namakumarda, you can, share
Yes,
this.
yes.
You can, you just like on that link. I'll add you in my profile, and I can make
Okay.
you moderator or admin also.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Now I will
So,
share my screen.
yes, Lolita.
Lalitha, you continue.
And Lolita, I do have one news for you.
Yes.
The office you came in the Malding. You remember that I met up with you there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Third leg, no?
Yes, Sector 5 Malding Incident, 9th floor.
Yeah. Yes.
Today we closed that office totally.
Why?
Because that was not beneficial for us now. It was not. We are not
Nowadays,
using it.
Zoom, when Zoom is there, so everybody is having their office in their home.
And
So-
now for Touchwood, for you can say also for your effort and as for my all employees effort also and all of effort also, we got the new branch also. We got it on July 2019. It is in Primax Tower, just behind the Rangde Basanti Dhaba. So it is bigger size, like about 1600 square feet. So that's why we closed that one.
Rangde Basanti Dhaba means
Sector 5, College More.
Sector 5 only. Okay.
College More. Just 1 minute from College More.
Okay.
And 1 minute from yes. So that's why we closed this office because it was totally useless and we were paying about including electricity bill 50,000 plus.
Yeah, and that area is also not that big.
Yes.
Anyway.
And now it is vacant. If you go to Sector 5, you will see nobody is there. Totally, it's vacant. It's vacant, and every company.
Now you can negotiate for any better price also. If everybody will negotiate now.
In future, that day will come that people will give in a half rate.
Yes.
Every company is maximum. Bigger companies are also leaving the infrastructure now.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay,
Okay, I am sharing my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you able to see this?
Yes,
software?
I can see.
Okay. Actually, this is the software already. I have given you the link. Ashok has the link.
Yes.
He can send you the software, installed software, as well as the raw software to install. Because first you have to install the raw software. Once it will be installed, then your all necessary registry files will be there. Then you can copy paste the installed software, directory, that is Copula G8, to any desktop. There you can run the software. Once you run this software, this page will come. Okay. So actually, this software was mainly designed for one of our instrument, that is HPLC. Okay.
HPLC. Okay.
So, and this software we are providing free of cost to our user as a reporting format. Like whenever they will run a sample, automatically these are the records for each and every sample. Okay. So once it has been run on the system, automatically it gets transferred to here.
Okay.
And it has some graphical notation of some chromatogram is there. And finally, customer is going to get a report like this.
Okay.
This is the report.
So that
which customer
report we can print out also directly.
Yeah. Here you are having a print option. Here you can convert to PDF. Here you can directly print to directly attach a printer and you can print.
Okay.
This is already there. This software is already available for our HPLC user. We are having another instrument which is called immunoassay. So
Ashok, please write the equipment's name in WhatsApp group. Okay, I have to do research on the equipment specifically. Then I can get the idea what we have to do. I need the equipment's name.
Okay. I will send it. I will send even I will send you a this.
I do have one good news for you guys. Okay, that news can bring you good business. We are making one portal that is called Doctor Click Away, and that portal is going to give the online platform to the patient. Patients can connect with the doctors and they can have the consulting with the doctor with the all medical virtual platforms. Like even also they can upload their all kind of file of their reports, like DICOM file or any MRI file or anything the medical file format is there. They can directly upload there and the doctor can also see, and that portal will create that virtual environment. Once I will see any MRI report, so there will be about 300 plus angle pictures in the machine itself, in this computer screen itself, which we access in our lab. That similar simulation visual effect we will give in the portal itself, and that is been given by the Niman Hospital, Bangalore. One of the senior doctor is guiding us. This is initiated by him only. His name is Dr. Prashant Singh. He passed out from Delhi. He's a very good doctor and very much tech savvy, and very much aggressive also. Very much tech savvy and very much aggressive. One day I will arrange one meeting with you guys. Might we can get one scope in Niman. Okay, that I'll do. I just got the connection and I just told you.
Good. Congratulations.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
When this system will run automatically in every particular, maybe within 1 minute or like that, one record will come and it is getting stored here. Okay. And this instrument and there is a option in this option section. This is the communication protocol for that particular machine, which has connected with this software. And in this software we have multiple connection also, like instrument 1 we can connect. We are having another option for instrument 2. And now it has been disconnected, but this is connected.
Okay, so this software can connect with the multiple equipment at a time.
Yes.
Okay. And in the similar lab. In the local area, not in the local. That means it cannot connect with the other building.
No. It has to be local, because a wire has to be connected through your COM port. This COM port, it is a communication port, 9-pin communication port, which is communicated from computer to the system. And from there, the data comes to here with this protocol. This is the baud rate, parity bit, all protocol is there. According to this protocol, this will come to this software. And we can two instrument also can connect it. And here there is another option to transfer the data to their LIS system. This is the host computer. Means from this software, you can transfer the data to their internal LIS system.
Okay, I understood.
This
Okay.
part is okay, different, but
Okay.
our concern is that to make a software for that particular machine. I will give you the data structure how the software will be, because we are having a higher end equipment. For that the software is available, but that software is not feasible with our existing smaller model. So we want to make that software for the smaller model. Okay. Now I will give you the data structure of this software. This is the result view. But from
Okay.
this screen, user can see each and every patient's report in a view format. This
Okay.
is just a view format. Like
Okay.
he can give a name, age, all these things. If you want, give. He can give, and he can update also. Here is the option for update. He can omit also. He can update also. That is his requirement. He can do
Okay.
that. Okay.
Okay.
This is the result view, where
Okay.
when a patient, where the user can see the report of every patient.
Okay.
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 And here also he can delete, like delete record, delete barcode. These things he can do if he wants.
Okay.
This flexibility is there.
Okay.
Now this is the another thing, Levy Jennings, which is for the quality control, which that day I was talking about. This is the quality control. Like you must have been heard about that we have parameter, like in immunoassay we are having parameter T3, T4, TSS. These are the three hormones.
Thyroid component.
Yeah,
Okay.
the thyroid. So like T3 is a different parameter, T4 is a different parameter, TSH is a different parameter. For
Okay.
every parameter, we are having